gave us extra homework, so I low-key had to launch her into a volcano. So, listen, I know this sounds bad, but just hear me out. I go to a high school where math teachers are basically villains in disguise. My math teacher, Mrs. Peterson, is the final boss of suffering. She assigns us 3 hours of homework daily and acts like sleep, food, and basic human rights don't exist. Yesterday, she hits us with, class, since you all did so poorly on the test, I'm assigning an extra 100 problems tonight. 100 problems. At that point, I swear the entire class ascended into the shadow realm. I started questioning life, humanity, and my will to exist. I mean, who wakes up and decides, yeah, let me ruin 32 teenagers' lives today? So I said. After school, my friends and I were talking, and I jokingly said, bro, I should just launch her into a volcano. Everyone laughed. But then my best friend Ethan goes, there's actually an active volcano like 20 miles from here. And that's when Operation Lava Drop was born. We spent the night borrowing some things from the robotics lab, built a DIY teacher-sized slingshot, and the next morning we invited Mrs. Peterson to a special school project presentation. She shows up, smug as ever, ready to ruin lives. And before she knew it, whoosh, she went flying straight toward Mount Pelora, screaming something about quadratic equations midair. 10 seconds later, there was a massive kaboom, a cloud of smoke, and let's just say, the volcano is now officially a math-free zone. The principal called my parents. The cops are investigating. But honestly, I regret nothing. The class gave me a standing ovation, and we now have a substitute teacher who doesn't believe in homework. So, my beautiful followers, am I wrong for protecting my mental health? Or am I the hero who saved an entire generation from math-induced trauma? Follow if you find this relatable.